I found this ring about a couple of weeks ago. And let me show you a clip of how I found it. All right, now we're talking. That is exactly how it came up. When I pulled the scoop out, it was right there. It's heavy. It might be gold. Yeah, it's heavy. I think that's gold. So over the course of the last 3 weeks, I've run it through the sonic cleaner more times than I can count, and this is how it turned out. It's actually got an 18 karat stamp on the inside. So awesome gold ring, and it's astonishing to be able to find something like this throughout all these rusty nails along this beach. In fact, I didn't know how many rusty nails until I ran a camera underneath the water. Yeah, so let's go along and scan down the beach and see what else we could find. All right, look at that. If you could see that big giant, I think it looks like a bolt, rusty bolt, but look what else is in there. I see it looks to be a silver dime. Mercury dime. Awesome. That's what they're all being hidden by the rusty nails and the big old bolts, but I could just barely hear it. So, all right, I can't tell what year, but we'll get it. All right, not too far away from that Mercury dime was a memorial. Looks to be in good shape too. All right, keep going. I just found that Mercury dime, and then maybe a foot or two from it was a memorial, and I could see what I think is an old nickel in here. If it's a buffalo, then I found, what is it called, a trifecta for the nickels. All right, there it is. You see that? Please be a buffalo. That would make my day. And it's a Jefferson. All right. Nothing else in there. Here, because there's a screamer in here. Small target. What could it be? Be a large silver coin. Right there is a screaming green coin, so let's see what it is. Yeah, hoping for an Indian. Let's see what it is. Yeah, that is an Indian. I can just see the headdress. Looks like it's going to be in good shape too. It's just green. All right, on the board for Indian. Good sign. These, believe it or not, are good signs because they sink low into the sand, and that's where coins and rings and all the good stuff also fall. So whenever you're seeing this, then that means you're probably going to find some silver coins, or at least some old coins. Actually got something in the scoop that I think looks good, plus I got another tone right here, so this might be a coin spill. That's looking like a good old coin. Yeah, it's definitely old. That's not going to be a Jefferson. Yeah, I can just barely make out. That's a V nickel, and it's in pretty good shape. Actually, really good shape. It's just got all that green corrosion on it. All right, first target today, V nickel, and we'll get a date on it later. Okay, I'm right around where I got that V nickel, and I've got a really good small high tone target here. 81, 90. All right, let's see what this is. Let's do it one big deep scoop. All right, I'm not hearing it. Okay, silver coin, come on. Oh, there it is. That nickel. That's a Watt or a Jefferson. Hey, that sounded like a high tone. All right, maybe there's more coins down there. That's weird. There'd be a V nickel, and then all of a sudden, in the same area, this Jefferson, and I can't tell the date. It happens, but all right. Let's keep. I'm gonna stay in this area. There's 2 coins. There might be more. My ear's off, but it's just a penny. Hope it's not a memorial. And that's looking like, I can't even tell. Is that a memorial? Sometimes you can get it right in the light. That's probably a wheat. I can see that big 1 on the back of it. Yeah, that's going to be a wheat cent. All right, cool. Better than a memorial. All right, let's move on. All right, there's a whole mess of sounds going on down there, and there was just this in the scoop, so that's going to be a ring. I don't know if that looks silver though, but I don't think there's going to be a mark even, but hey, a ring is a ring. I think that's ring number 4 for the year. Just got this little piece of vintage jewelry. It's broken, but it's got some kind of design on it. And the back is probably like gold plated or something. But that's cool. It's old. All right, let's keep going. Oh, that sounded good. I found like a little trough here. And that looks like a buckle. But it rang up good. Yeah, nothing else here. All right, keep going. All right, got another green penny. Let's see what it is. If I can get it. I think I could see the edge. It's looking like it's gonna be, I don't know. What does that look like to you? I'm thinking that's gonna be a Lincoln. Maybe a wheat. At least a wheat, come on. At least a wheat. Yeah, that's gonna be, yep, that's gonna be a memorial. All day long, it's a memorial. All right, I'll take it, it's copper.